Hello world, good morning. Today is very exciting day. I have a road trip coming by car from Kuala Lumpur to up to Cameron Highlands, and today we're gonna explore everything about the Cameron Highlands and we're gonna finish in Ipo City, guys. So stay tuned because that's gonna be very exciting vlog today, guys. The first stop of today's trip is the Cameron Highlands tea plantations. Everything what you see over here around is just simply tea. I never been in the tea plantation in my life. I know that huge plantations are like this one in Sri Lanka. I think many of people don't know worldwide as Malaysia actually have something like this also. And the views over here are just magnificent. Seriously, guys, I really like it here. Also, the weather is a little bit chilly here. I mean, not pepper chili, is just a little bit cold, but I mean it's very enjoyable, guys. Also, to get to this lovely place the best way is come by car, and I would like to say on this occasion special thanks to one Malaysian family who organized and sponsored this trip for me to Cameron Highlands and to Ipoh. Also special thanks to my driver, is really great job. Also on the same occasion I would like to say thank you so much for everyone who appreciate what I'm doing here, making videos for you from Malaysia. Just today, just few minutes ago, I hit 20,000 subscribers, so I'm so happy today. So exciting day, the trip, the 20k. Thank you so much, guys. Also, to come here there is special dedicated lines where you can walk here, and also you are not allowed to pick up the leaves of the tea. Also, the entrance fee is just 3 ringgits, which is like 70 cents American or something like that. And this is the city center of Cameron Highlands. Cameron Highlands is not only the beautiful hills in general, but it's also the city. You can come to Cameron Highlands and stay 1 night, 2 nights, or how long you wish. There's so many guest houses, homestays, hotels, so many places to eat, restaurants. Also, the architecture is very interesting place. I think when you come here in the area, you should definitely come and stop over and have a little walk around. So Cameron Highlands is very cozy tourist place, tourist destination, nearly in the central Malaysia. In my opinion, definitely highly recommended to come here for the totally different experience. In general, guys, when you are coming to Malaysia, it's good to travel around. Don't only stick to KKL. The most common mistake what all the tourists from all around the world doing often is that as they thinking as Malaysia is boring and they coming only for 2 days, usually transit, staying in Kuala Lumpur, making picture on KLCC, and that's it. I highly encourage you to come to Malaysia and start traveling and start exploring the country. And anywhere you go in Southeast Asia, do the same, guys. Now is the time for breakfast. It's 10 o'clock at morning. We didn't have anything, me and my driver. This guy is making the roti canai, which is probably what I'm gonna try. I'm not really breakfast person, but roti canai for sure I'm gonna try, especially in the place like this one. Also, this one here is the one of the oldest post office in Malaysia. Unfortunately, it's closed on today's occasion. It's Saturday. However, I just wanted to show you. This is the place where we're gonna eat, and this is the guy who is making the roti canai. Looks very nice, and this is the roti canai with egg. All right, and now is the time for the breakfast. This is the roti canai, and this is my driver, and this is his friend, best friend, already since 13 years old. Can you imagine that? And this is the roti canai. The best way is to eating by hands, obviously. Taking a little bit of the bread, deep inside, and eat. Bon appetit. Also, the kids join us to having a lunch with us. Why not? That's so cute, actually. Alright, and now we arrived to the smokehouse. One of the smokehouse, Cameron Highlands is very famous for the smokehouses, which is the old houses, British houses, because Cameron Highlands was very popular for the British people, but also was colonialized by the British long time ago, guys. So, little bit of the history now. Let's see if they're gonna let us inside. Unfortunately, this place is reserved only for the guests because it's transformed into the hotel. However, I show you a little bit from the outside, as you can see already. Definitely British architecture here. Also in the Cameron Highlands, you can find so many hotels and the lodge types, but this one is actually resort, so it's the great opportunity for your holidays if you would like to escape from the city. Also, if you are in the area of Cameron Highlands, you can visit one of the strawberry farms and buy the fresh strawberries. Unfortunately, on today's occasion, all the strawberries are already picked up. There is not the really season. However, you can do it. Maybe you are more lucky on next occasion. So currently the weather has changed. It's slightly rainy. It's a little bit more cooler. And we are on the way to the different locations. And this is like a pasar, which is like a market where they're selling the fruit, veg, and stuff like this. I want to show you a little bit around. Also, this is very tourist place, so you can expect many attractions, many merchandises and stuff like this. Also, there will be some buses, but well, if you are in the area, you have to visit this place. And here you go, everything what you can buy, even the hat for the kids. So what they're selling here, definitely corn, some sort of cassava potato or something like this, many veggie fruits. Also, all of this what you can see here, those people are planting in the area of the Cameron Highlands. So it's really nice, really fresh, and I believe very organic. Thank you. And well, that's how it looks like. Really nice stuff. Also, they cooking something here. When it's something cooked, I have to have a look. This looks like a cassava potato actually. I think so. This is the little bit different name when I know, but I think so it is. And on the other side of the street you can find a souvenir cafe. I'm gonna come inside maybe one of the shop to show you around. Seems like also so many tourists, mostly local Malaysian tourists coming here, but it seems very busy to me. And inside the store you can find so many stuffs like this one. They have so many kind of cactus and many things to the garden like. And this is actually like a huge garden shop where you can find the merchandise. It's rainy, so it's actually even nice, a nice sound of the rain around. All right, it's rainy. Let's get back to the car and let's go. Let's go. All right, it's rainy. Let's go. Alright, it's already 2 p.m. I just arrived to the another and probably one of the most popular spot here in Cameron Highlands, just after the tea plantation, which is the Flora Park, and the entrance is already spectacular, guys. Alright, and this is it. I'm just inside the Flora Garden. This is huge garden with any kind of flowers. In the area of Cameron Highlands, you have to take a pickup truck, pickup service from the parking area. They're gonna drop you here. Ticket costs you 50 ringgits, which is approximately 12 American dollars, and you can enjoy the area on indoors. When I'm here now, during the rain, it's rainy actually, I don't know if you can hear it, and there is the outdoors. I will try to show you as much as possible from this place. This place is also great for any kind of Instagram pictures, as you can see already, and it's really huge, guys. This is more of the indoor area. It's like a huge field actually, but under the roof. It's raining. Here is the cafe. You could enjoy the tea, coffee, or some snack. And so many flowers around, beautiful flowers, I have to say. There is the outdoor area. Unfortunately, it's big rainy. I think you can see from my lens. So I just want to show you a little bit how does it look like. You go up there. However, I think I'm gonna focus on the indoor. It's pretty big place, so enjoy. People going down because of the rain. This is like a small alley, and the more sittings for the restaurant, obviously. It's nice, but it's very rainy, guys. All right, guys, that's it. I think it's a very nice place to visit if you are in the area of Cameron Highlands. I think this place is definitely much more interested for everyone who are looking for beautiful Instagram pictures, and especially for the ladies. However, I also enjoy it. It's also very nice breeze here. It's very it's not so hot, so it's very enjoyable. And let's go to the different location, guys. I just arrived to the probably last location today because it's getting late. It's called Lavender Garden. Seems also very busy and very popular attraction. Let's see what is inside. Probably something beautiful. Probably lavender flowers, obviously, right? And this is the name. This is best photo place for pictures. Group people and Cameron Lavender. They are actually two names, I think. All right, let's get inside. Let's see what is inside. Ticket counter, 20 ringgits. Here we go, Cameron Lavender Garden. Very nice car, by the way, the entrance. a little bit like theme park, however with the flowers. Another botanical garden. You can have ice creams actually also here, and many places for the pictures, that's for sure. People making their putting their loved names like this one. Very interesting, something new. Still rainy anyways. This is like a Japanese panda theme park and another park up there. Pretty sure great place for the pictures, especially for the kids. And you have a cafe at the top if you would like to enjoy the time with the view of the other area of the Cameron Highlands, guys. Definitely this place is great for the kids. If you're coming with the kids, I'm pretty sure they will really enjoy a lot over here. And you have also so many flowers and even more places to making beautiful pictures, of course. Lavender from Taiwan, special macro shot for you guys. Down there is the lavender color of the casa. I wanted to say purple, but it's lavender color for sure. It's a little bit like a botanical garden. There are nice huts with the painted into the flags of the countries. There are strawberries behind me. I will go there to show you, but I just wanna come and show you on the top how does it look like around. So Cameron Highlands in general, they are very popular for the production of the fruit and vegetables, and everywhere actually around you can see like this one, everywhere there are plants inside. I couldn't find the self-picking strawberries in the previous place, so I can show you in this place. However, as you can see, there is no season today. I'm here for the few minutes and exploring around, and I have to confess you, as this is probably the most beautiful looking plantation of strawberries and in general when I ever saw it, because I never seen so clean and so tidy up in the, well, like this one in general. What I can say, it's really cool. I've been previously in the similar places like this one in other Southeast Asian countries, that's true. However, I have to say, as this one is probably the most organized and really tidy up, very nice looking, and I really like it. If you are a fan of the places like this one, definitely highly recommended to come and try it, especially if you're in the area of Cameron Highlands, in Malaysia in general, guys. Also very interesting fact, this place is called Lavender Garden. Cameron lavender, however, the most popular attraction here actually strawberries, where you can buy everywhere, or any other strawberry product. So if I'm already here, I'm gonna try at least lavender ice cream. Thank you so much. So let's try lavender ice cream. It's actually very nice and it's called lavender. I don't know how to describe the flavor. However, I'm pretty sure they use some sort of blueberry flavor for that. However, I may be wrong. Or maybe they use the flowers, I don't know. Just kidding, guys. Alright guys, just arrived to the Ipo. I'm gonna stay here for the one night, and this is the Travel Lodge Hotel. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, and then I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna have a dinner somewhere in Ipo City, guys. So this is the room with the queen bed, or maybe king bed actually, with the very nice actually the painting around the bed, the view desk where you can work and editing video, for example, like me, big TV, little bit of the view from the outside. Overlooking the city of Ipo. Alright guys, and this dinner time in Ipo City today. This is like a hawker center, and I'm gonna show you around, and I'm gonna try as many dishes as possible to do today, because I know many of you waiting for my foodie videos, but I'm not really like a foodie person. However, today, especially for you, I'm gonna try as much as possible. So here we go, we have a hawker center in Ipo City. Looks really nice. It's under the roof. It's rainy outside, by the way. Looks very clean. It's very similar like in other countries, and of course you can buy so many very interesting food. I order today's the few of them. One food I order here, the fried kwetiao. Let's see how it tastes. This is where I order my popia here, and this is the satay stall where I order also my satay ayam, satay chicken for myself today. These lovely people are grilling satay Ipo, which is very nice. Alright guys, so my food arrived, and this is what I have on the table. I have 3 dishes. So the first dish what we have here is the kwetiao. I think with the prawns and the stuff like this. The second dish what we have here is popia. This is like a kind of spring roll, I could say, but only in Ipo City. Looks really nice. Actually, I hope so. You can see properly, very close up. And then we have a special Ipo satay, and this is the satay ayam, which is chicken satay. All right, so I'm gonna try everything. First will be the satay with the peanut sauce. It's really nice. Actually, it's a little bit with the curry flavor or something like that. Very nice and very nice quality meat. I really like it. All right, the second dish it will be kway teow. I will try. It's nice. It's really nice. And the last dish what I'm gonna try right now is falling apart. Actually, that means it's good. Is the popia. I think it's calling properly popia. I will try. It's big piece. It's really nice. Very nice. Alright guys, it's just after midnight. I'm just editing my video. I'm starting to editing the video. So that was very exciting day in Cameron Highlands. I hope so you enjoy. Tomorrow I'm gonna explore Ipo, so will be another very exciting day from Malaysia. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you tomorrow. See ya. Bye bye.